Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be talking about a fishing pole that I purchased from Walmart today. It was $27.74 fishing pole plus tax. It's Shakespeare Tiger 7 feet spinning rod and combo. Just to clarify, this is not a sponsored video. However, Shakespeare had provided the product for a review. It's a white pole. I put it for catfishing. I love to go catfishing a lot. And it's 7 feet long fishing pole. Shakespeare Tiger. It's made in China. So the quality on this pole, it's not too bad. It's a one ball bearing. Here you can see one bearing. Check on it if you can see that. One bearing and 20 pounds reel. Seven feet long. Check on it if you can see it. It's a great pole. I mean, I'm going to use this to cast out pretty far. It's a nice fishing pole for its price. I have had this combo for over a year and have fished very often in both salt and fresh water, and I am so happy with it. I just brought another. I once pulled in an almost 20-pound stingray with this combo and it performed perfect. The ray had the rod bent in a U position and it never snapped cracked. Even with a lot of weight on the line, the reel was smooth. The reel was super smooth. It's a medium action rod. Great value for price. I would recommend for any beginner or intermediate. Hit the thumbs up if you found this video informative, and don't forget to comment, subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you, my friend, in the next video. Bye.